Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we'll show you how to get NetShort coins for free. First things first, if you are new to NetShort, you can sign up using a referral link, and that can actually get you a bonus of coins right away. Tons of users overlook this, but it is the easiest way to start with free coins without doing anything extra. Just make sure the referral is from a trusted source. So the first thing that you can do is to sign up and referral bonus. That was the first thing. The second thing that you can actually get more coins from it is the daily logins bonus. The daily login bonus, yep, NetShort rewards users just for showing up. All you gotta do is log into your account every day and hit that login button. You will earn a small number of coins daily, and they add up fast, especially if you are consistent. Pro tip, set a daily reminder or automate it with browser extensions to never miss a day. Number 3, share shortened links. This is the core method, but here's how to do it smart. Shorten useful links, like viral TikToks, free tools, or trending articles, and share them where people are actually looking for them. Think Facebook groups, Reddit threads, WhatsApp, Telegram groups, even your Instagram bio. You do not even have to spam. Just share value. The more clicks you get, the more coins you earn. Number 4, referral program. Another underrated method, invite friends using your referral link. For every person who signs up and starts using NetShort through you, you get a percentage of their earnings in coins. It's passive and ongoing, so the more people you refer, the more you stack up over time. Lastly, keep an eye on NetShort's official social media or dashboard announcements. They often run giveaways, seasonal promos, or double coin events where you can get a ton of coins in a short time. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.